Are you experiencing mood swings, fatigue, or bloating that seem to come out of nowhere? These symptoms could be a sign of hormonal imbalance. For many women, fluctuating estrogen levels lead to a range of uncomfortable issues, from PMS to menopausal symptoms, making it hard to feel like yourself. When your hormones are out of balance, it doesn't just affect your physical health. It affects your mood, energy, and overall sense of well-being. Whether it's PMS, irregular cycles, or the effects of menopause, these imbalances can disrupt your life, leaving you feeling exhausted and overwhelmed. Introducing Max Health Nutraceuticals Estro Balance, a natural, effective solution designed to help regulate estrogen levels and restore hormonal balance. Estro Balance combines potent botanicals like diindolylmethane, DIM, and chaste tree berry to support healthy estrogen metabolism and ease the symptoms of hormonal fluctuations. With Estro Balance, you can reduce symptoms like bloating, fatigue, mood swings, and hot flashes. By supporting a healthier hormone balance, this supplement helps you feel more in control of your body and emotions. Say goodbye to unpredictable hormones and hello to balance with Max Health Nutraceuticals Estro Balance. Take control of your well-being naturally. Visit drnicolemd.com/Max Health Nutraceuticals today and feel the difference for yourself.